you can export results to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. You can select which items to export, and you can export all of the output file in the viewer. We will use an output file from the demo.sav data. From the Viewer menu, choose File, Export. Notice that the Objects to Export group is set to All. From the Type drop-down list, select Word RTF File Doc. Click OK to generate the Word file. You can double-click to open this file in Word. The output includes a large table called Notes. This table was not visible in the output, but it does appear here. If you do not want to export the Notes table, we can exclude it. This time, in the Viewer menu, click the Export button. Change the Objects to Export group to All Visible. Remember that the Notes table was not visible. Now click OK. Now the export only contains the visible tables and charts. You can also export specific analyses in the Outline pane. Click on any analysis in the Outline pane, right-click, and choose Export. Remember that once you export, you will need to format your tables and charts in APA style.